I've made a beautiful two-layered one-of-a-gift grandmother present, the sweetest grandmother, also called Liefste Oma in Dutch. Look at this, beautiful. And if you want to know how I made it, watch the full video now. The materials I will be using is basswood plywood and walnut plywood. This is a darker one. So 2 pieces of plywood, one light one and one dark one. And let's see the result in the end, how it will finish. So now let's go straight to XTool. Hello, here at OneOfAGift. In this episode I will make a custom sign, and it could be for anyone, but this time I'm going to make it for grandmother, sweetest grandmother. And also in the Netherlands is called Liefste Oma. So would you buy this or not? Or would you make this yourself? Yes or no? I've made a design, and the design with the letters, and I made an offset out of it. So we have 2 layers there, and here it is in XTool Studio. I'll be using my XTool F2, and let's see how it will come out today. If you have any requests for the next one, please leave it in the comments. And for now, let's go to my XTool. I'll put the first layer in. I've put the materials in. The first layer of basswood plywood. And let's out to measure. That's looking good. The power is at 90%, and I will be using a speed at 3 with 1 pass, and that should be okay. I will put the exhaust pipe of the XTool F2 out of the window, so I don't get the burning smell in the house. Let's start. Here we go. This will be the bottom layer. Start. That didn't went well. Actually it did, but this thing with which I used to keep the wood stuck at that plate was bouncing to that XTool, so I didn't see it. Yeah, I was too late, so I need to redo it again because there was a small glitch there due to this thing which was bouncing against the XTool, and it got confused. So I will do it again. Actually, the settings were good. It did cut through, so nothing wrong with the settings. Let me refresh the background. Let me flip that piece of wood. Okay, let's start it again. So that's finished. Let me take it out. This is the result. This is the first layer. So the bases, it looked beautiful. I will put that other piece of walnut plywood in. Let me auto measure it. Successful, refresh the background. I will change this to walnut plywood. Apply. And now what we're gonna do, first I do the inner layer and then I will do the outer layer. So let me change this. This one goes out. The inner layer cut 90% power. I will change the speed the same, also at 3. So first the inner layer and then the outer layer. That should be it. Let's start the process. Oh, wait. The output was still off, now it's on. Sweetest grandmother, Liefste Oma in Dutch. Yes, start. Finished. Let me refresh the background so you guys can see it. It cut through in one time. It's looking great. Yes. And now let's change it. This one goes out. Now the outer layer on. I will change the speed to 3. And so I can glue it easily. Yes, let's start the process. start. Finished. That looks good. Let me refresh the background so you guys can see it. Look beautiful. So the outer layer will be, I will be using it as a guider to glue every piece at the right spot, so it make it more easy for me. So yes, it is. I will take it out and start gluing. I don't have double-sided adhesive tape, else I will use that. The result will be done much faster, but now I need to let it dry. That's no problem for me. I will glue it together. Here we have the cut. Look at this. The letters are already out. So I will be using this and this as a guider, so I can put the letters there on the right spot. This is also actually looking good. So let me know, do you prefer this or the one that I'm going to make now? This is also good looking. Yeah, I've glued it together and now it's need to dry. So I will have dinner and come back later and let's see what the result will be. So now I have dinner and see you guys in a minute. Here we have the result. Sweetest grandmother, or Liefste Oma in Dutch. Beautiful 2 layers. I had some issues with the dot on the eye. Where is it? Here. It was stuck on the other layer, so I glued it separate again. But now it is absolutely beautiful. OneOfAGift. Can be any name. Your son, your daughter, your father, mother, your sport club, whatever, or anything else, maybe a heart or something else. So anything can be made like this. So this is the result. A beautiful double layered sweetest grandmother sign. Also this is in Dutch, Liefste Oma. So it can be anything. It can be the name of your daughter, the name of your mother, son, whatever, boyfriend, the sports club. Look at this beautiful OneOfAGift. Okay, for now guys, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for the next one, let me know it in the comments. If you like it, let me know it in the comments. Should that dark part be on the back and the light part on the top? Or is this just as good as it is? Let me know it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.